Alright, y'all, welcome to our channel. We are over here making some chicken. So, cooking with Tomeka, cooking with Tomeka, cooking with Queen Karate. So, yeah, I'm over here just grilling some of this chicken. Well, I got some olive oil in the pan. Got some of these chicken strips seasoned up pretty well. Definitely. Love my seasonings. And gotta have them seasoned real well. Just got them over here, just cooking. Cooking on one side, making sure that side is done. Flipping. Flipping them on over with a nice fork. That's what it is. You see all those seasons in that? OMG. Ooh, lots of flavor. Just lots of flavor. And guess what? I do not measure when I season. Better believe it. I wash my chicken off so many times. And then I season it up. Put it in the pan. Got some of these onions and bell peppers in here. Most definitely. God is good. God is amazing, you guys. You better put them first, most definitely. So I had a taste for some chicken. I just got just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in that pan. Sometimes I like to boil my chicken though. I'm not even gonna sit over here and act like I don't. I love boiled chicken. Then I'll put like some oil in it, then brown it up. For some reason, I love some chicken like that. It be so tender, you know? And back in the days and biblical days, uh food was always boiled. But yeah, I'm one of those. So I'm just gonna tell you. If you was able to smell this food, shush, your stomach is gonna be like, oh, I'm so hungry. Hurry up, food. And over here we got some broccoli and cauliflower, and we're boiling it in water. I didn't decide to steam it this time. I just wanted to boil it. Got it seasoned up as well. Got some olive oil in there, a little bit of butter. There go that chicken again. You see how brown it's getting? Most definitely, we love our food well done over here. Now over there, I don't know what you like, but that's on you. Over here, we like it brown, golden. Yes, most definitely. Get a little crust on top of that. Well done. And you see those bell peppers over there? They trying to, get a little golden as well, a little browner. We like it dark, brown and dark skin like myself. Most definitely. Oh, look at that chicken. Yum, yum, yum. It's making me hungry just even making this video. And boy, goodness gracious. Finish licking your fingers. I know you're hungry. I know you're hungry. And these are all herbs, salt-free herbs that I sprinkle on my chicken. I have like a mixture. I have a blend of things that I, put up together and everything. I have no complaints, and I ain't trying to, get the big head, but I'm coming up. I'm showing out. I'm showing out today. So here's the fettuccine pasta. Getting it to a boil, and again, I have my water seasoned. And just a few little herbs, for taste. It's always good to season your water or your pasta because it gives it more flavor for some reason. Stuff be all good. It be the bomb. Diggity bomb. Yes, indeed. And I season until it's just time to stop. The ancestors say, hey, that's enough. That's enough. They just whisper. I just keep going till I need to stop. Here is the Alfredo. Got a little bit of parsley on top of it. Got some pepper in it and a few other little seasonings and stuff. Now, I ain't make this Alfredo, the Alfredo from scratch. I got that out the bottle. Yeah. King Karate, he's mainly the Alfredo person. He be making some real good homemade Alfredo. And here it go. Here's a plate right here. Plate made up. Yes, indeed. God is so good, you guys. He will supply all your needs. Don't ever worry about how you need to eat, where, or anything. Just trust him. I know you're hungry. Yes, God bless. God bless. Thank you so much for watching, sharing, liking, subscribing. Have a great day.